Hello everyone, today we have the Honda Goldwing, which is the legendary cruiser from Honda. So this is coming for the PPF treatment and we are going to be applying the pre-cut PPF. So I'm going to show you exactly what's the difference in applying a pre-cut PPF. So this is the front fairing part. One side has already been applied. So this comes machine cut to the exact size of the panel. So there is no manual cutting involved here.